Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a fix if you have your window stuck like this. I'm going to show you how to fix it, hopefully, coming up. So let's say one day you're trying to roll your window up and it gets stuck when you're rolling it up. So what needs to be done is it probably just needs to be calibrated. So I said hopefully because this doesn't work on every single car. It just depends what's going on. But your first try is to recalibrate your window. And if that doesn't work, then you're going to have to put in a service ticket. So let me show you how to recalibrate the window. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to push the button. You're going to want to push it all the way down and hold for 5 seconds, and then you're going to roll it all the way back up, and hopefully what will happen is it'll go all the way up, and then you want to hold it closed for 5 seconds, and that should fix it. Then you should be able to use the windshield, the window how you want to. Also keep in mind that when you push this down, you don't want to do that double click where it automatically sends the window all the way down. You just want to push it on the first one, so you want to manually hold it and let the window go down all the way by itself. So if we push on that first one all the way down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it go, and then hold it up on the first click. Again, we don't want to automatically send the window up. You want to manually do it. So first click all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let off. And that should fix the window. And again, like I said, if that doesn't fix the window and recalibrate it, then the only other thing you're going to do is, put in a service ticket and have the service center fix it for you. Another thing you could do as a temporary measure is, say if it is stuck, down like this, what you can do is you can actually just pull the window up yourself manually. But then also keep in mind, if you do that, the window's not going to come down. So it's probably what you want to do in this case is temporarily put it up. But yeah, just know that it's going to be stuck like that until you get it into the service center for them to fix it. So hopefully that helped you. Just a quick little tutorial on how to recalibrate the windows. Let me know if you have any comments below, and thanks for watching.